Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video we are doing part 2 of my patriotic Americana decorate with me. Today we're going to be decorating my family room, my entryway, maybe a little in the bathroom, and also the coffee bar. So we're just going to finish up decorating, just touches of Americana, just bringing in a little bit of that red, white, and blue. So glad you guys are here. If you missed part 1, make sure you check that out. I'll have it linked for you at the end of this video. Also have it down in the description box. And you do not want to miss that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Before we go any further in today's video, I want to go ahead and thank our sponsor, Berga. I've talked to you guys about Berga before, and I could sing their praises endlessly. I absolutely love their phone cases, as does my daughter. This is my current phone case on my phone. This is their elite case in print old money. Absolutely love it. It's got that beautiful scallop design. I thought it looked like a sweater, which is why I picked it. Got my adorable children. Berga offers all kinds of fun products for all your digital needs. Phone cases, laptop covers, earbud cases, magnetic power banks, you name it. I love the Elite cases for a number of reasons, but the number one are their fantastic prints. They always have gorgeous prints. I love these raised bezels here. This keeps your phone, if it falls, it keeps your cameras protected. I use my cameras for work all the time, so I need to make sure they're protected. And with the Elite cases, they're super, super durable. They've got a fabric inside to make sure that your phone stays nice and safe. So if you drop it, you don't have to worry about it getting destroyed. And it's got this nice grippy edge to make sure that it's easy to hold. As I mentioned, they also have magnetic power banks. This was a new one for me. Like I said, use my phone all of the time. And so I need to make sure that I never run out of battery. This lives in my bag all of the time. I keep it fully charged, and I keep a charger in my car in case I need to. But the great thing about it is if you need to charge your phone, you literally just pop it on just like that, and it turns on the bottom, and you don't need to have any cord. So as you can see, it's charging my phone, but I don't have to worry about putting a cord on there, which is fantastic. And you can't really even tell it's there. It's easy for me to continue to use, So super, super fantastic. And it just keeps me working all the time, which I sincerely appreciate. I also love their Tough cases. This is the version of their Tough case. I love the lemons. I got this one for summer. These have a really nice rubber inside, and they come in 2 pieces. So you put the rubber on, then you can add your case. These are also magnetic power bank ready to go. Their cases are made on demand, so you just order the case that you need for the phone that you have. They put out new prints all the time. They actually just put out a new line that I am obsessed with called Cafe del Sur. Let me show you. I am going to pick up this phone case called Gourmet. It looks like a little sardine can. How cute is that? Right now on the Berga website, you can get 4 cases for the price of 2. That's right, you order 4 cases, only pay for 2. And if you use my link down in the description box and my code TiffanyX15, you're gonna get an additional 15% off your order. That is a phenomenal deal for 4 incredible cases. So I know I'm gonna go order that sardine case. I'm gonna pick one other one, and then I'll let Michaela pick 2 as well, so we can each get something cute for the summer. Thank you so much, Berga, for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get into it.
We're going to get started by placing this adorable hand-drawn, hand-painted Uncle Sam from my sweet friend on Instagram, Stacy Taylor Moore. Absolutely stunning piece. I love it so much. And then of course we just have to bring in a couple of flags. I got a lot of comments on my first video about staining my little flags to give them a little bit more of a vintage look. And that's definitely a good idea. I've seen Mother Time do that, Jen. If you don't check out her channel, or if you don't watch her channel, I definitely recommend it. However, I'm feeling that next year I may want to go a little bit more coastal and do more of a coastal Americana vibe. So I don't want to make anything look too vintage because that definitely won't go with the coastal vibes. So we'll see what happens, but definitely is a good recommendation. I'm also going to go ahead and add this adorable bow garland that I picked up this year at Michael's. It's one of the few new things that I bought this year. I definitely have not grown my Americana decor this season because I am really wanting to do a coastal summer vibe here in my home. So not wanting to purchase a lot more Americana things because I would like to get a few more coastal things. So make sure you stay tuned because that's what we're going to be putting up after we're done with all of this festive 4th of July decor. I know a lot of you talked about how you leave this up all summer long until Labor Day, and I can absolutely see that. I think it would be stunning, but I'm looking forward to switching it up. I'm adding this blue striped pillow from Antique Farmhouse here to my little antique chair. Absolutely love it. And I'm also bringing back the blue pillows to my sofa. These are from Target this year. They are my favorite throw pillow I've ever bought. And that other block print pillow is also from Target. And that cottage lumbar pillow is from Antique Farmhouse. I love it. Here to my coffee table, I'm going to keep things pretty much the same. That tray is from Target, and that pedestal there is actually from Scranton's Shops, my favorite antique shop. It is handmade. And I picked up these blue books there as well. I'd like to get some more for my home for both the Americana decor and the coastal decor later. And I'm also going to bring in this little antique pitcher and these adorable little flag plates from Hobby Lobby. This candle hurricane is a new find this season from Walmart. I am obsessed with it. It is so beautiful and I feel like it looks so high end. And you guys, this was less than $10. What a steal. I will have it linked for you down in the description box, but I feel like this was such a find this season. And I just added in a sand and fog candle from TJ Maxx and love how that turned out. I'm going to go ahead and add some vintage flags here. These are from Browns & Hopkins, my favorite little general store down in Chepachet, Rhode Island. And I'm just adding it to a little vignette I had here from the spring with the shoe form and that beautiful antique scale. I love those. And right now it just has the nest still up top because I'm not sure what else to put there, but I have my eyes out for something. And then I found these adorable vintage bingo cards at Crompton Collective down in Worcester, Mass. And I absolutely love those. I have wanted some bingo cards for years. We're going to go ahead and move over into my coffee bar now. That little fireworks stand is a cute little decor piece I picked up at Michael's a few years ago. And I'm also going to add in, of course, some more flags. I've got another one of those galvanized metal little pitchers from Hobby Lobby. I told you before, I love those. They just bring in good color and they're easy to add decor to. So just adding that here to this shelf. That little faux plant there that's coming out of the crock, that's from Michael's. That was a find in the spring and I love that. I've got another one of those over in my IKEA hutch and I think it's such a great little addition. Here to the other shelf, I am going to just kind of play around with the decor. I've got that beautiful picture there. That's from Antique Farmhouse, and I've got it filled with some faux snowball viburnum. I think those are from Michael's. And then I have this beautiful little flag picture. Again, this one is from Michael's a couple of years ago. And I'm going to bring back that beautiful glass canister. That's from Hobby Lobby. And I've got it filled with some copper measuring spoons. Those are from Antique Farmhouse. And then I've got these beautiful little flag salt and pepper shakers from Hobby Lobby, and I love how this turned out. This little plate rack is new this year. I got this from Amazon, and this was a recommendation from Jen over at Mother Time. She showed this and I loved it. I'm just going to add a couple of little plates here. It's already got some stacked there with some old spoons and a towel from Antique Farmhouse. And then I've got this cute little flag heart. This is from Hobby Lobby 100 years ago, but I just think it's cute and brings in a little bit of charm. And the last little bit of decor we're going to bring in are these beautiful gingham coffee mugs. These are from Target, from the Threshold line. I did buy these last spring, I believe. These are some of my absolute favorites. I think they're beautiful and they look so nice hanging here under this shelf. Those are just little hooks I picked up at Walmart, and this just brings in such cute little charm to the coffee bar. That's going to be it for the decor. Let's go ahead and take a walk around and look at how it all turned out. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. I am so in love with how the 2025 Americana decor turned out this year. I think it's very fresh and just the right amount of touch to bring in some of that spirit for the holiday. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to consider giving it a big thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe and come back for more. I post new videos every week. I try to post 3 to 4 new videos. So lots of content coming your way all season long. And hopefully I'll get to see you in the next one. Take care, my friends.